So today we will talk about the State Health Index, and this index is recently released by the Niti Aayog. So let's talk about the State Health Index. So why in news? As I have told you that the fourth edition of the State Health Index has been released by the Niti Aayog for 2018 and 19, and this is the started in 2017 and now 2021. So 2017, 18, 19, 20. So this is now the fourth edition. So if you talk about the index, about the State Health Index, then remember that this time the report title, you can say the motto of this report is the healthy state and progressive state. As you know, this is the coronavirus is going on and the health is the major aspect. But remember, this data doesn't include the COVID parameters, means they doesn't look at the COVID aspect. So now what is the main report title is the healthy state and progressive state is the main report. So it ranks state and union territories on their year-on-year incremental performance, means how they are actually progressive, means what is the score in the last year, now what is the score in this year. So this is, you can say, the incremental performance year on year, as well as is there the overall status, means how they are improving in all the parameters overall. In this, if you talk about the fourth edition, the Kerala tops. So if you talk about another, the State Health Index is an annual tool to assess the performance of state and union territories. If you talk about this State Health Index, then remember that this is developed by the Niti Aayog with the technical assistance with the officials of the World Bank and in close consultation with the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So this is all about the index. So State Health Index is basically on the 24 indicators, but basically the three domains. That three domains is basically the health outcome, and second is the governance and information, and third is the key input and process. If you talk about the three domains, so if you talk about in health outcomes, then what are the indicators include? The first is the neonatal mortality rate, means the death. And if you talk about the under 5 mortality rate, means the number of children is dying before 5 years of age. So another is the sex ratio at birth. So this comes under the health outcome. If you talk about the governance and information, then remember that the institutional deliveries, means deliveries, how much actually deliveries are taking in the hospital. Another is the average occupancy of senior officers in key posts in the health sector, means either they are all the post is filled in the health sector or not filled, is the indicators under the governance and information. If you talk about the key input and processor, which is the third domain, if you talk about, then remember that proportion of shortfall in the healthcare provider, means there are the certain amount of healthcare providers needed in health sector. So is there is any shortfall or is there is any excess, that comes under this key input and processors. Another is the functional medical facilities. Sometimes you have seen that there are the medical facility already in the hospital, but that is not functional, means cannot be utilized. So there is a functional medical facility comes under the key input and process. Another is the birth and death registration is taking place or not, is another key input and procedure. If you talk about TB, means the tuberculosis treatment success rate. So this is comes under the key input and procedure. Remember that this is the three domains. If you talk about the overall rank, so there are basically two ranks, overall rank and there is a incremental performance. If you talk about overall ranks, then Kerala tops this time again, and if you talk about the second at the Tamil Nadu and Telangana at the third. So this is the overall ranking among the larger state. If you talk about among the smaller state and union territory, then remember that Mizoram and Tripura among the smaller state tops overall. Remember that, and Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu top in union territories and Chandigarh. So if you talk about the incremental performance, means how they are progressing last year and now what is the performance in comparison of last year this year, that is known as the incremental performance. If you talk about the incremental performance among larger states, then UP has the most progressive. So remember that UP is the most progressive, after that the Assam and then the Telangana, and remember that Telangana overall at the third rank in the State Health Index released by Niti Aayog. If you talk about the smaller state, then remember that Mizoram is the most incremental performance and is the Meghalaya. If you talk about the union territories, then remember that Delhi, after that the Jammu and Kashmir. So if you talk about overall the bottom three states, then remember that the Madhya Pradesh at the 3 and the Bihar at the second from the bottom, remember that, and UP at the bottom. So this is all about the State Health Index. So thank you guys, hope you like this video.